Lesson 1. CPL Eligibility and Medical Requirements. Welcome to the first lesson on PNG CASA Commercial Pilot License Requirements. To qualify for a CPL for aeroplanes under Part 61, you must be at least 18 years old. You need to pass 6 core written exams: air law, flight navigation, aviation meteorology, aircraft general knowledge, performance and planning, and human performance. Once you pass an exam, the written credit remains valid for 3 years. For flight experience, a non-integrated syllabus requires 200 hours of total flight time, while an approved Part 141 integrated course requires only 150 hours. Within this, you need at least 100 hours as pilot in command, or 70 hours for the integrated course. Your training must include at least 10 hours of instrument flight time, up to 5 of which can be in an approved flight simulator. You also need 20 hours of pilot in command cross-country flight time. This must include a long-distance flight of at least 300 nautical miles, or 540 kilometers, with full-stop landings at 2 aerodromes other than your departure point. Medically, you must hold a current Class 1 medical certificate. If you are under 40 years of age, the certificate is valid for 12 months. However, if you are over 40 and engaged in single-pilot air transport, the validity drops to 6 months. If your Class 1 certificate ever lapses past its expiry date, you are strictly prohibited from acting as a flight crew member in any commercial air transport operation.